Gems Crochet, and today I want to show you how to make a really cute little, kind of this size, a candle decoration to hang on the Woodland Advent Calendar. Now this is a wall hanging advent calendar with pockets underneath, and it features a Christmas tree that you hang decorations on each day of Advent. So it's super fun. So there are 24 different decorations which you can make, but equally you could use your candle for anything you like. Bit of applique, or stick it on a card, or a Christmas tree decoration, anything like. I'm using Scheepjes Catona, which is 100% mercerized cotton. You get 50 grams in a ball and 125 meters. I'm using colours Bluebird, which is 247, Snow White, which is 106, and Lemon, which is shade 280. You'll also need a 2.5mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a needle. Okay, so let's get started, shall we? We're going to start by making the holder of the candle. So this is like a traditional style, almost like Victorian style candle, and we're going to start with our glue. Sorry about the noise. So we start with a chain 4, so make a slip knot on your hook like so, and chain 4. So we're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. I like to work in the back bumps, but you can work any way that you normally do, and then single crochet in the remaining 2 chains. So you'll have 3 single crochets when you have finished that row, and then we're going to turn, and we're going to chain 1. We're going to make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, a single crochet in the next stitch, and 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Then we're going to turn, we're going to chain 1, we're going to make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, 2, we're going to make a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to make 2 single crochets in the last stitch. We're then going to chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch back into that last stitch where we were before. Okay, and that's created the bottom of the candle and a little tiny handle. Okay, so we're going to now fasten off the blue. Like so. Oops. Alright, and we'll move on to working with our white. So grab your white yarn. Right, so with the handle, so this is the last chain 3 on our left, as so, we're going to join into the 3rd stitch. So we've got 1, 2, 3, join in there, and we're going to chain 1 to secure that. Then we're going to work in, actually we should have joined in the back loop only, sorry about that. Join in the back loop and chain 1, then single crochet in the back loop in that stitch and in the next stitch. Okay, so we've done 2 single crochets there, and then we're going to turn, and we're going to chain 1, and we're going to single crochet in those 2 stitches, and we're going to repeat that for rows 6, 7, 8 and 9. So that was row 5 we just did. So 6, 7, 8 and 9, we're going to do 2 single crochets across with a chain 1 to start. Okay, so that's the end of row 8. I'm going to turn and chain 1, and for row 9 we're just going to single crochet across, but we're not going to turn at the end of that. We're just going to fasten that off there. Oops. Okay, so that is fastened off. We're going to move on to the final row, which is with the lemon colour. So grab your lemon yarn, and we're going to work with our right side facing. So this is the right side with the handle on the left again, and we're going to join our yarn in the middle between the 2 stitches. Okay, so it's a bit tricky to get your hook into there, but just wiggle it about and you will get through. Okay, then we're going to chain 1 to join it, pull that tight. Then we're going to chain 3. We're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the hook, and then we're going to slip stitch back into where we started. Like so. And that is our flame for our candle created there, and then we can just fasten off. Okay, not sure. Apologies if this video is a bit disjointed, but there we go. Okay, all that remains to be done is to weave in your ends on the wrong side. You might have to poke some of them through, but we can go ahead and do that now. And there we have it. I've woven in all my ends now, and you can see it's a cute little candle, kind of Victorian style, perfect for adding to a card or hanging on my Woodland Advent Calendar. Find all the details below for the whole calendar and links to all the other decorations. Can't put my finger in, there we go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again soon for another pattern from Concrete Gems Crochet. Bye for now.